I think anyone who's looking over the long term, 5, 10 plus year view, as many of us are when we're thinking about retirement saving, equities still look attractive. If you're asking me what's going to happen in the next 3 to 6 months, that's a much more tricky question. We've seen a slew of data out this morning, the number of deaths, the number of cases confirmed ever higher, 20 million cases confirmed globally now, and that's just the ones that we know about. And there's some data out this morning about unemployment in the UK. The data isn't looking particularly positive, so the short-term outlook probably isn't looking positive either. But on a long-term view, equities remain compelling.
Although there is the maths, bad news on the economy is good news for stimulus, and that's good news for equities. The job number in the UK, 730,000 jobs lost in the first 4 months of the crisis. We just spoke with the Bank of England. They seem to be a little bit more upbeat than some of these data points are suggesting. Does that imply maybe we will get another 100 billion of purchasing perhaps at the end of the year here again, which would be a positive as far as the market's concerned?
I think we've seen, and I hate that word unprecedented, but it fits our times, unprecedented action when it comes to central banks and governments supporting the economy. They acted fast. And they acted well on the whole. The market response has been good. The unemployment figures, although, there are some negatives underneath, they continue to be higher than we would have been if we hadn't had the furlough scheme in the UK, for example, keeping people in work. And so the expectation is they've spent so far, they will spend again if they need to. However, the bigger question is what that stores up later down the line and the potential for deflation and then potentially even inflation after that, which has a massive impact on risk assets such as equities. It's not just about where the level of the market is when you have other economic fundamentals.